In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Cloudflare error 153 in Notion step by step. This error can suddenly appear when you're trying to access your workspace, load pages, or switch between notes, and it's usually related to network or security checks. The good news is that this issue is easy to fix, and you don't need any technical skills to follow along. I'll walk you through the exact steps that work in 2026 so you can get back to using Notion without interruptions. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software tutorials. All right, let's get started. The very first thing you should try is simply refreshing the page. A lot of the time, Cloudflare errors happen because of a temporary connection glitch or a failed security check. If you're using Notion in your browser, press refresh or reload the tab and wait a few seconds for the page to load again. If you're using the desktop app, completely close the app and reopen it. This quick refresh often clears the error immediately, so it's always worth trying before moving on to anything else. If refreshing didn't work, the next step is to turn off any VPN or proxy you're using. Cloudflare is very sensitive to VPNs because they can change your IP address or route your traffic through shared servers. If Notion detects something unusual, it may block the connection and show error 153. Temporarily disable your VPN or proxy service, then reload Notion and see if the error is gone. Once Notion is working normally again, you can decide whether to re-enable your VPN or keep it off while using Notion. Next, make sure you close all other Notion tabs. Having multiple Notion tabs open at the same time can sometimes confuse authentication or session checks, especially if one tab has been idle for a long time. Close every Notion tab except one, then refresh that remaining tab. If you're using the desktop app, fully quit it and reopen just a single window. This helps ensure that Notion only has one active session running. If the error is still showing, try changing your network. For example, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or connect to a different Wi-Fi network if one is available. Sometimes Cloudflare blocks or rate limits specific IP addresses, and changing networks gives you a fresh connection. After switching networks, open Notion again and check if error 153 has disappeared. The final step is to log out of Notion and log back in. Go to your Notion account settings, sign out completely, and then close the browser or app. Open it again, sign back in with your email, and let Notion reload your workspace. This resets your session and often fixes lingering Cloudflare errors that don't go away on their own. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Cloudflare error 153 in Notion and get back to your work without any issues. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech fixes and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.